Now this is the question number 4. Let Px is equal to 4x3 minus 7x square plus 6x minus 3m. Put x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2 and Px. When Px is divided by exactly divided by x plus 2, then by remainder theorem, then by remainder theorem, the remainder is now P into minus 2 is equal to 4 into minus 2 power 3 minus 7 into minus 2, okay, square, 7 minus square, and plus 6 into minus 2 and minus 3m. Here P minus 2 is equal to 4 and minus 8 and minus 7 multiplied by 4 and minus 12 minus 3m. P minus 2 is equal to minus 32 minus 28 minus 12 and minus 3m. And here 2 to 8, 10 and 2, 12. 2 to 4, 3. Now minus 72 minus 3m. This is P is minus 2. Here given that Px is exactly divisible by x plus 2, then r is equal to 0. Put r is equal to, we put r is equal to 0. Now we have minus 72 minus 3m is equal to 0, and here and 3m is equal to minus 72, and also m is equal to minus 72 over 3 minus 24. Now m is equal to minus 24. Now this is the question number 5. Determine the value of k if Px and Qx, this leaves the same remainder when divided by x minus 3. Let Px is equal to kx3 plus 4x square plus 3x minus 4. Put x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. Now put here P3 k into 3 power 3 plus 4 into 3 power 2 plus 3 into 3 and minus 4. P3 is equal to 27k and plus 9 4 36 plus 9 minus 4. P3 is equal to 27k and plus 45 minus 4. Okay, P3 is equal to 27k and 27k and plus 41. Now this is the remainder. Now again put x plus 2, x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x equal to 3 and qx. Now here qx is equal to again kx3. Now qx is equal to x3 minus 4x plus k. and 3, q is equal to 3 is equal to 3 to power 3 minus 4 into 3 and plus k. q3 is equal to 27 minus 12 plus k. q3 is equal to 15 plus k. Okay. Now px and qx leaves the same remainder, leaves the same remainder. Then we write this 27k plus 41 and is equal to 15 plus k. Here we 27k minus k is equal to 15 minus 41. 26k is equal to and 41 minus 15 6 and 3 2 and minus 26 and k is equal to minus 1. Now this is the solution of this question number 5. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is the question number 6 of exercise 5.3. The remainder after dividing a polynomial px by x plus 1 is 2b. When we divide px by this x plus 1, the remainder is this. First solution, when px is equal to x3 plus ax square plus 7 divided by x plus 1, then remainder is 2b. Okay, let px is equal to x3 plus ax square plus 7. Put x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1 and px, and minus 1 is equal to minus 1 power 3 plus a into minus 1 square plus 7. P into minus 1 is equal to minus 1 minus a plus a and plus 7, and P is equal to minus 1 a plus 6. Now condition according to given condition a plus 6 is equal to 2b, and a minus 2b is equal to minus 6. Now this is our first equation. Now again px is equal to x to power 3 ax square plus 7 is divided by calculate the value of a and b if this expression divided by on x minus divided by x minus 2, then leaves remainder b plus 5. Now we write here, put px is equal to x3 plus a x square plus 7. Put x x minus 2. X minus 2. This is x minus 2. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 and px. Now p into 2, the remainder is b plus 5. B plus 5. Now px right here. P2 is equal to 2 power 3 plus a into 2 की power 2 plus 7. P2 is equal to 8 plus 4a plus 7. P2 is equal to 4a plus 15. Now according to given condition, now this is equal to b plus 5. 4a plus 15 is equal to b plus 5. Now b goes to the left side. 4a minus b is equal to 5 minus 15, and 4a minus b is equal to minus 10. Now this is the equation number 2. We write equation number 1, a minus 2b is equal to minus 6. Okay, and 4a minus b is equal to minus 10. This is first, this is second. Multiply 2 by 2, then subtracting a minus 2b is equal to minus 6, and 4 2 by 8a minus 2b is equal to minus 20. Now with this minus, this plus, this will cancel, or here minus 7a is equal to plus 14. A is equal to 14 over 7, minus 7 is equal to minus 2. Put a is equal to minus 2 and 1. 1 is a minus 2b is equal to minus 6, minus 2. This minus 2b is equal to minus 6. Minus 2b is equal to minus 6 plus 2. Minus 2b is equal to minus 4, and b is equal to minus 4 over minus 2 is equal to 2. Now here a is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to 2.